Hello, my diamond painting friends. This is Susan, and I am back with another unboxing. Um, oh, I'm not sure where I got this one from. I will take a note in the description about where this one came from. I don't have my iPad here with me, or I would look it up. So, let's take a look. This came yesterday. So, I hope everybody's doing good. I made it through my first drill with me. I hope everybody who watched that and liked it. Not that they would want to see more. So I think I know what this one is. So I hope people don't get mad at me for it. But you know, people's taste are people's taste. So. Not everybody's going to like the same thing. I think everybody's going to like this one or anything, so, but we will see. Okay. Here are my diamonds. Pretty muted colors, not very many bright ones, but that's okay. Oh, there's another bag. Okay. It's a canvas. It is a 70 by 95. Yep, this is what I thought it was. So, So, this is, let me get everything out first before I, oh my goodness, there's 3 bags of drills. Uh-oh. This all looks like the same color. Well, no, I take that back. There's just dark but different colors. I see 823 and then 37.99. So. And here's our drill kit. It looks like we have a green boat with a cutout, pink pin. Pin looks a little crooked. Looks like a 9 multi-placer with it, deal of wax, and some tweezers. This is a square drill. So, and that's empty. My daughter's around here just looking at me. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. I know she's not shy, so I don't know why she doesn't want to say hi. So, yep, she'll live up on the dog, but she won't say hi to her mother. I see how it is. Anyway. Tuck that tape in half. It's not like she's shy. She was on YouTube herself, so. Okay. All right. Oh, there's still tape on here. My goodness gracious. I've originally bought this as a gift, but I don't really know if she really wants it. So it may be one that I end up keeping, which is okay because I love the subject. So, and there's more tape. Oh my goodness. There's so much tape on here. There we go. I think that's the last of it. Yeah. Okay. We are on a thumb core. Okay. Let's take a look. This is probably going to be sideways, so. I should be getting some more, I think either later today or tomorrow. I got quite a few coming in on UPS truck. So we'll see. Let's take a look. Okay. This is cut into 2 different sections. No, don't tear. Tear on me. Okay. It's still gonna try to tear on me. I'm not having luck at all with this paper. I'm gonna have to stand up. Thank you, Jasmine. All right. We have Tom Brady, quarterback for the New England Patriots. I do this so gracefully, don't I? Oh no. I don't know if you can see. I'll show you the thumbnail here in just a second of the inventory sheet so you can get a better look at it. But the field looks good. There's no bubbles, no creases. Very, very sticky, so that's good. Let's see if I can lay this down as easily as the ones I laid down yesterday. From the bottom. This is just not working out for me. Okay, let's try this. This is turning into a disaster. There's the bottom part. I just have to fix this off camera, so you're not having to sit here and watch me do this, because it's just not wanting to lay down very good over here on this side. It's still leaving a little bit of area uncovered, so I'll just fix it off camera. Okay, I'll take a look at the drills. And I want to say that I ordered this from a company that I have not ordered from before. So, sorry for the crinkling. Oh no, it's Color Whisper. I've ordered from them before. I have a little note on the back saying, "Dear customer, thanks for your purchase. Due to your diamond beads were checked manually, so there will be a small probability that you will lose some of your diamond beads. Please don't directly open a dispute or leave us a negative feedback. This is handwork involving product, so a mistake happens, though we have tried our best to avoid mistakes. If you unfortunately missing something, please contact us first. We will give you a rapid response and try all our best to fix your problem. Your kind understanding will certainly help us a lot." That's nice. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got 10,000 of 100 DMC 154. 61 of 939. This is 12,000 beads of 939. So that's the most that we have going on here. So let's take a quick look. Do a quick inventory. 902. I should have 42. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 20. 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got all of 902. 816. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 317. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 317 is becoming a very popular one among my canvases. It seems like I got it in almost every single canvas. Kind of like 154. This is 820. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's good. 798. I should have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I really like beads that come in like this. It just seems like more care has been done to pack them instead of the ones that have just been thrown into a big bag. And that's just my personal opinion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. Okay, this is 154. And I said there should be 54 of these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 20. That's 30. It's 40. 54. Perfect. I don't know who showed that trick, but it is a lifesaver at times. I think I said lifesaver. Lifesaver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 931. It's good. Um, 950. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. 413. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's good. 930. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. 5200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 157. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's good. 415. This one also seems to be a common occurrence in most of mine that I've been getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I feel like I've just about hit every single DMC color there is to hit. I could be wrong, but seems like I've gotten some of just about every color in my canvases at one point or another. So, and of course, I'm not going to be able to put these in quite like they did. So it's all going to go into a big Ziploc bag anyway. So, then, sorry about the crinkling. I love Tom Brady. I'm so glad they won the Super Bowl this year. 3802, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have been a Patriots fan for the past 19 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Probably about as long as I've been really following football, I guess I should say. 3726 is full. So I don't feel like I'm a fair weather friend or fan. 8. So I get my favorites, I stick with them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just that way, you know. I've liked the Backstreet Boys for 20 something years. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've liked Seth Rollins and Roman Reigns and Dean Ambrose since they first showed up as the Shield, and that was 6.5 years ago. So, you know, I get my favorites and then I stick with them. 6, 7, 8. Through the good times and the bad. $38.60 is 5. Ooh, they sent me an extra one. Plus 1. $30.64 is 2. 223 is 3. 900 is 2. 792 is 3. I still have some Diamond Art Club to unbox. Hopefully we'll do that soon and get them scheduled to go up. I like that color. I don't think I've ever had that color. 3328. So look for those soon. I still got some that is that I've recorded, and we'll be putting them up over the next couple of days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Quite a few Ever Moments that are not customs. They're just regular ones that I have ordered. So $3.18 should be 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And mark that down so I don't forget. This is 310. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. 762. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 762, not 92, Susan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. But you hate it when you count and then you forget how many you counted. So there you go. Like, oh, I gotta count them again. 797 should be 16. That is a pretty color. Okay, I don't think I've had this color before. That's very pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Perfect. So, I had a dentist appointment this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did not go very well, but that's okay. Next one should be better. Went to Walmart to get one of my videos uploaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for $7.77. And then I went and got tickets for Captain Marvel, which we are planning on seeing Friday evening. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So excited about that. We don't ever miss a Marvel movie at all. We watch them every time they come out, usually opening weekend. So $38.65 should be 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's good. I got one solitary little bag in here. Let's see. $38.63. Just one. Perfect. This bag is good. So far, so good. Color Whisper's doing well. But I think they always do well. I don't think I've heard any complaints about this company. I know that they closed down for a little bit the last week or so. You couldn't order anything, so they took everything off their site. Everybody was in a panic worrying about them. But I don't know when they'll be back up, but from what I understand, they will be. They're not closed down for good. So if you're trying to order from them and there's nothing available, give them a little bit more time. They'll be back. Okay. This is $33.71. Should have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's good. Mark that down, Susan, so you don't forget. This is $8.23. Should be 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Oh, don't twist around each other. I'm not playing the tango game. Tango! Tango! 40. Two little bags of $37.72. A little brown in the sea of dark. Okay. This one is $37.99. Should be 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 21. Yay! They can go out and drink. They're legal. I did tell you on my reel with me yesterday that was weird, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, which one is this one? What do we have left? We have $9.39 left. It says we should have 61. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this one we're just going to do this. And 20. And 30. Ooh, look, runaway drill. And 40. And 50. And 61. Perfect. Now see, this is what happens when I don't mark everything down. Did we have 798? I can't remember. I'm pretty sure we did. I'll go back through the drills to make sure. I'm not going to go through them again. So, oh no, my canvas get dirty. Okay, so again, this is a 70 by 95. It's of Tom Brady. All the drills are accounted for. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure that we got the 798. I just forgot to check mark it. I'll check it again and put it down in the description. See, I didn't check the 3865. I know I got the 37.99. So I'll check again for the 7.98. So okay, this is from Color Whisper. And it is a square drill. And okay, so if you haven't subscribed, if you like this, like the video. If you don't like it, tell me why and let me know how I can improve. Always up for constructive criticism. All right, have a great day. Thank you. Bye.